Are you tired of going over your data limits and paying extra charges? If you have a Samsung Galaxy device, you're in luck. In this video, we'll show you how to enable the Data Saver feature to help you reduce data usage and save on your monthly bills. Let's get started. Now let's enable the Data Saver feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. Just follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap on Connections. Next, select Data Usage, followed by tapping on Data Saver. Finally, toggle on the Data Saver switch to activate the feature. Your device will now automatically reduce data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background, disabling auto-syncing of apps, lowering the quality of videos. You may want some apps to continue using data freely, even with Data Saver enabled. To exclude specific apps, follow these steps. Simply go back to the Data Saver settings. From there, tap on Allowed to use data while Data Saver is on. Then, toggle on the switch for any app you want to exclude from the Data Saver restrictions. There you have it. You've successfully set up the Samsung Galaxy Data Saver feature. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Data Saver feature is an excellent tool for cutting down on data usage and potentially saving you money. By following the steps in this tutorial, you can easily enable this feature and start enjoying its benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.